What happens when a bruise turns into a global rumor about the US president's death? Well, that's exactly what we are seeing right now. It started with few photos of Mr. Donald Trump. People noticed a mark on his hand, a bruise, nothing more. But in today's world of social media, a bruise is never just a bruise, right? Be it TikTok or X, well, every social media platform lit up with wild speculations. And those speculations were: is Trump sick? Is he hiding? Could he even be gone? And then came the spark that made it explode. Russian state TV. Vladimir Solovyov, one of Moscow's most famous anchors, went on air and cracked a joke. Let me quote his joke now. Just a bruise and Trump's gone. It sounded like humor, but in geopolitics, even a joke can be dangerous because when Russian media says something, it's not just entertainment. It is often a part of political theater. Now, let's zoom out. Mr. Donald Trump is not just any leader. He is the Prime Minister of Russia, and that too twice. Every appearance, every speech, every stumble, even every bruise is seen by the media, by the rivals, and by the foreign governments. His absence from the public stage for very few days only added fuel to the fire. And yes, this is not the very first time that such rumors have spread around America's president. Remember when Ronald Reagan was shot in 1981, or when Franklin's health was hidden during World War II? Now, in each case, speculations wasn't just about health. It was about power, it is about stability, and it is about who controls the world's most powerful office. So, what's really going on with Trump? His team insists that he is healthy and focused on the US right now, but the bigger story is how quickly rumors can become a weapon. A single photo leads to viral photos. Viral photos catch the eye of Russian TV. Russian TV turns it into a punchline, and all of a sudden, the world is debating about the most powerful man in America today. So, here's the bottom line: this is more than just a gossip about a bruise. It's about how politics and propaganda collide in digital age. And for Mr. Trump, the question isn't just about his health. It's about perception, because in politics, sometimes perception can be as deadly as reality.